Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off edge panels in Samsung Galaxy A55. So we are talking about this function. So, how to turn this option off? We need to go to Settings, then in Display Options menu we have our edge panels. We can of course change it. Right now we have apps selected, but we can have people, tasks, weather tools, etc. etc. We can also go to our Galaxy Store to download more options, more widgets if we want to. But to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and that's it. We don't have this panel anymore. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.